You studied thermodynamics, machine design, strength of materials, you solved derivations, you passed Viva exams, you became a mechanical engineer. But after graduation, you did not design anything. Instead, you stand beside machines, fill inspection sheets, update Excel reports, and wait for your shift to end. And slowly, a question appears. Where is the engineering I studied? This is happening to thousands of mechanical engineers, not because they are incapable, not because mechanical engineering has no scope, but because one important truth was never explained in college. A mechanical engineering degree and a design engineering career are not the same. Design engineering is a different skill set, and most graduates never get shown the path. Today, I will show you the path. Many students believe if I learn SolidWorks, I will become a design engineer. So, they complete tutorials, practice commands, model parts, then interview begins. And within 5 minutes, interview ends. Because companies are not asking about commands. They are asking, why this tolerance? How will this be manufactured? What materials will you use? What happens under load? Can you read this drawing? At this moment, students realize something important. They learned software, but they did not learn design. After graduation, most available jobs are production, maintenance, quality, or marketing. Students join thinking, I will shift to design later. But after 1 year, companies ask, do you have any design experience? You say no. And now a loop begins. No experience, no job. No job, no experience. This is the experience trap. And many mechanical engineers remain stuck in it for years. But there is a way out. Companies actually don't hire based on marks, they hire based on evidence. If you can prove you can design, experience becomes less important, and that proof is called a portfolio. Now, the question becomes, how do you reach to that level? Here is the roadmap. Step 1, Engineering drawing. Before any CAD software, learn engineering drawing. Understand orthographic projections, section views, dimensioning, fits, and tolerances. Because design engineers don't communicate with speech, they communicate with drawings. And you need about 2 to 3 weeks of time for doing this. This single step alone already separates you from most applicants. Step 2, choose only one CAD software. SolidWorks, CATIA, NX, or Creo, or FreeCAD, anything. Only one software. Companies do not hire based on software name. They hire based on ability to model parts, create assemblies, and produce drawings. Your goal is not to learn buttons. Your goal is to express engineering ideas digitally. The ideal time required is 1 to 2 months. Now comes the step most students skip. Projects. Tutorials make you familiar. Projects make you capable. Design real mechanisms, gearbox, pump, machine components, whatever is there in your mind, you try to design it and showcase in your portfolio. During projects, you will learn clearances, interferences, and motion. This is exactly what interviews test. Step 4, Manufacturing knowledge. A design engineer must know how parts are made because a design that cannot be manufactured is only a drawing. Learn basics of machining, casting, and welding. Now your design decisions become realistic. Step 5. Build a portfolio. Instead of writing, I know SolidWorks, show complete assemblies, drawings, and explanations. Your portfolio becomes your experience. Now interviews start. Do not rely only on job portals. Search small manufacturing companies, send them your portfolio directly. Small companies give the first opportunity. After 1 year of real design work, your career trajectory changes permanently. Your first design job salary may be low, but this job is not a salary decision. It is a career direction decision. Production salary grows slowly. Design experience compounds. After 3 to 5 years, the gap becomes very large. You did not choose mechanical engineering to watch machines. You chose it to create them. The path exists. It was just never clearly shown. From the next videos, I will guide you step by step what to learn, what projects to build, and how to enter design engineering. If this is your goal, subscribe because this channel is not about software. It is about becoming a mechanical design engineer. And in the next video, we will identify the mistakes that stop most graduates from reaching there. I will see you in the next video.